My name is Lynda McCarthy. I'm a professor in the Department of Chemistry and Biology, and I'm a Great Lakes ecotoxicologist. When I first started at Ryerson University in 1997, a fledgling idea for this multidisciplinary graduate program had just been started by Ron Pushchek and Marko Bardecki and others. I had just recently been a federal government research scientist at the Canada Centre for Inland Waters, which in fact was a multidisciplinary institute looking at the degradation of the Great Lakes. So in fact this fledgling NSIMAN program really suited well where I actually wanted to continue on in. Again, it is truly one of the few multidisciplinary master's programs and PhD programs actually out there. 2 years ago we did an NSIMAN curriculum review to see what other academic institutions in fact were truly multidisciplinary, and it turns out that Ryerson has one of the few in North America. So the uniqueness then of NSIMAN lies in its true belief that when you have all expertise at the table, then you truly can solve the societal problems besetting the world, both environmentally but from a corporate point of view as well. And it's kind of interesting that in fact Ryerson is built on the maverick premise that such applied knowledge, when society is able to access it, makes for just such a great institution. So that's where NSIMAN then fits very, very nicely into Ryerson's foundational ideas. With regards to the research I look at, again, I'm a Great Lakes ecotoxicologist, and so I'm actually looking at watershed issues that would cause the degradation of the Great Lakes. And an area that I'm particularly interested in is asking the organisms how they're being impacted. And so what my research team is looking at is the development of a miner's canary. Now, of course, the idea of a miner's canary is a very, very old idea. Miners used to take canaries down into the mines, and if the canaries fell over dead, it was an indication to the miners, no matter what the culprit toxic gas was, it was a warning to them to get out of the mine fast. So often we do not know what the chemical contaminant or stressor is that's impacting environmental organisms, but if you actually ask the organisms first if in fact they're stressed or impacted, we can then work from there to try to make their environment a better place to be.